The next most important property of an object-oriented programming is called polymorphism. The name polymorphism means that a particular piece of code can have different types of meaning, or it can perform different types of operation. The similar type of code is performing different types of operations, and that's why it is called polymorphism. So what happens in a object-oriented programming, that whenever a parent is inherited by two different child, each of the child can implement the inherited function in their own way. For example, just consider this real world example. Let's consider again a fictitious family where the children has the same voice like their parents, but one of the children is utilizing the voice for singing, and another child is utilizing that voice for doing some speech and all different things. So that's exactly polymorphism does. Although the same function one is inherited by this child has implemented this function in different way. As you can see, it is printing C, whereas the parent is printing P. And it is also possible to derive another child, let's say child 1 or child 2, where you can print C1, C2, or do some other type of operations. So the same name, that is the same function 1, is performing different types of operations in different child and the parent. Just like the fact utilizing the similar voice either for singing or for speech. That's what called polymorphism. And implementing this function in many different way, implementing the parent's function in many different way, it is called overriding. Sometimes for easy understanding, you can say that override means overwriting a function. That is, you inherited some property, inherited some function from your parents, and then you are overwriting it or utilizing it in your own way. That's what it does. For example, this function 1 is inherited from this function 1, and then this child is overwriting it to print C instead of P.